The Lion and the Rabbit. Long ago, in a deep and quiet forest, there lived a lion. He was very strong, very proud, and very cruel. Every day the lion hunted animals. But he did not kill only one animal, he killed many. He killed more than he needed to eat. Sometimes he killed just for fun. The forest slowly became a place of fear. The deer were afraid. The goats were afraid. The birds flew away early every morning. Even the trees seemed silent. The animals whispered to each other, "If this continues, the lion will kill us all." One night, the animals gathered under a large tree. They talked for a long time. Finally, an old deer said, "We cannot fight the lion. He is too strong, but maybe we can talk to him." After much discussion, they made a plan. The next morning, the animals went together to the lion's cave. Their legs were shaking, but they stood bravely. The deer spoke carefully. "O great lion, king of the forest, we have a proposal." The lion looked at them with cold eyes. "Speak quickly," he said, "before I get hungry." The deer continued, "If you promise to eat only one animal each day, then one animal will come to you every morning. You won't need to hunt anymore." The lion thought about it. He liked the idea of food coming to him without effort. But then he growled, "If one animal does not come, I will kill everyone in the forest the next day." The animals agreed. They had no other choice. From that day on, every morning, one animal walked slowly to the lion's cave. The forest became quieter, but at least the animals survived. Days passed, then weeks. Finally, it was the rabbit's turn. The rabbit was small. He was not strong, but he was very clever. That morning, the rabbit did not go straight to the lion. He walked slowly, very slowly. He stopped. He looked around. He waited. By the time he reached the lion's cave, the sun was already high. The lion was furious. He roared, "Why are you late? Do you want me to kill everyone?" The rabbit bowed politely and said softly, "Oh, great king, please forgive me. I was stopped on the way." The lion narrowed his eyes. "Stopped by what?" The rabbit replied, "Another lion." The forest became silent. The lion stood up angrily. "Another lion? Who dares to call himself king in my forest?" The rabbit continued calmly. "He said he is the real king. He tried to eat me." The lion's pride burned like fire. "Take me to him!" the lion shouted. "I will show him who the true king is." The rabbit bowed again. "I will gladly show you the way." The rabbit led the lion deep into the forest. They walked and walked until they reached an old well. The well was deep and filled with still water. The rabbit stopped and said, "He lives here?" The lion looked confused. "Where?" The rabbit pointed down. "At the bottom." The lion leaned over the edge and looked inside. In the water, he saw another lion staring back at him. The lion growled. The reflection growled. The lion roared. The reflection roared. Without thinking, the lion jumped into the well to attack his enemy. There was a loud splash, and then silence. The lion never came out. When the animals heard the news, they were amazed. The forest slowly filled with life again. The rabbit became a hero, and the animals learned an important lesson. Strength without wisdom is dangerous, but intelligence, even when small, can change destiny.